Hello, everyone. GM. I'm Nick from the Solana Foundation, and welcome to the Changelog. How you doing, Jonas?
I'm doing great. Excited for your changelog. What's
Yeah, I'm
new?
excited for the Changelog. Excited for Hyperdrive. All the events and everything in the ecosystem. I guess friendly reminder while I'm at it is check out solana.com/events. It's the community events page. You can find all sorts of events that are going on in the ecosystem, from in-person workshops, virtual workshops, in-person events, things like that. And you can also find the link for Hyperdrive office hours that the DevRel team at Foundation is hosting twice a week. So if you're building something for Hyperdrive, then stop on in, ask questions if you got them, and don't forget to use Stack Exchange too.
Yeah, the office hours are in the Hyperdrive Discord. So make sure to join in there in the voice chat. We are there for an hour every Tuesday, every Thursday. Yeah, it's free time. You can ask whatever you want. And another nice thing that we found is Phantom released a new feature, which is now like for every NFT collection, some of them which they picked or which applied, I guess. They have a bunch of links now where you can stake and do missions. And so if you have an NFT collection, now you can contact Phantom and have all kinds of links to your connections, to your NFT collections. Another really cool thing which we found is Jupiter Exchange has now a list of bridges. So this is super exciting. So if you go to jupiter.ag, you have now this new tab here, which is still in alpha. So be a bit careful with it, but you can now bridge from all kind of different currencies to other currencies. So now here I can, for example, swap 100 USDC on Ethereum to 100 USDC on Solana. What do you think about that, Nick? Isn't that amazing?
Yeah, it's super cool. Big fan of Jupiter. Like this basically takes their swap idea and applies it to bridges. You can just compare all the bridges that they have support for on Jupiter, and I think it's gonna be really cool.
Yeah, and then there's this thing from Helios, right? What is this about?
Oh yeah, this is a nice guide that Helios published on how Quick works and what Quick is. So it kind of talks about just high level, like how Quick is used to actually prevent some of the spam network traffic on the Solana blockchain. So if you're interested in trying to learn more about Quick, check it out.
Yeah, Quick is really interesting because it also provides you a certain quality of service depending on your stake weight. So it's a very interesting article to read. And what's your favorite commit this week?
There were two commits that I saw that are both related. Actually, they're for Loader v4, and specifically, one of them is for Loader v4, and the other one is a feature gate that enables Loader v4. And basically, Loader v4 is the next iteration of the Loader program, which allows for program upgrades on the Solana runtime, and it's really the first. It's really setting the stage for program runtime v2, and that's what this actual feature gate is for. And basically, if you don't already know, the feature gates are an epoch-based system where certain features in the Solana blockchain will be activated on the various networks, whether it's testnet, devnet, or mainnet. And as the community goes to adopt these and gets the ability to test out these different features and they get more and more stable, then they can be then iteratively activated on each of the respective networks. So yeah, it's just it's the first like public push for runtime v2 to make it so people can start interacting and figuring out all the good stuff on runtime v2.
Yeah, I'm super excited for Runtime V2. And these feature gates are actually really cool because we use them in game development also a lot. Like you release a feature to like you build a feature, and then at some point you say, okay, now the feature is enabled. And when there's a bug, we could easily disable it. I'm not sure how easy that is on Solana. But if you want to follow the feature gates activation schedule, you can find it in the Solana Labs GitHub repository. And then you see here the epochs on which version they will activate and when they activate and what will activate. So that's a very interesting thing to follow. And yeah, I think we're already at the end, right?
Yeah, that's pretty much it for this week. It's been a good week, and hope to see everyone at Hyperdrive office hours. If you're looking for ideas, check out build.superteam.fun. We'd love to see some interesting projects on Solana.
Yeah, I definitely want to see what you're building. I saw a few really cool projects already. So also post about it on Twitter. Be loud about your project. The more people know about it, the more successful it will be. So
For sure. Tag at Solana Devs.
exactly. See you guys next week. Bye bye.
Catch you next week.